Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Here at my steak tomatoes, we are in desperate need of staking them some more. So we're going to do that along with some other chores in the garden, and I thought I would bring you along. Let's get started. So with all the rain that we have had here recently, these plants literally have grown like weeds, and they're straining to be held in place. So we're going to try to do a little work to keep them from toppling over and all. So we're going to tie here. Then we have another place here that needs to be tied. So we're going to try to tie that also. Right there. And I'm going to try to do another one here. So we got this one standing off. This one isn't holding very well. So we're going to have to redo it. We're going to take this one loose that you just did. Okay, that's better. Now we're going to do the same for the other three and then move on down to something else. So in this bed, we have staked or tied up the tomatoes as best we could. And we also removed some leaves, some limbs, so we get better airflow. And overall, it looks pretty good. Now we're going to go to the bed next door here and do the same thing. So if you remember, this bed has 6 different types of tomatoes, and one of them being a Sweet 100 cherry tomato, and it is loaded with tomatoes everywhere. I'm not sure how I'm going to get this up and not hanging down, but I'm going to try to do it. Same thing with the other plants that we have here as well. Difference being this these plants have clips, so it may be a little easier to get them in place. And just like with the other tomato plants, we're going to do a little trimming. I can do trimming on, or pruning. I can do that on everything except for the cherry tomato, or rather, let's say I want to. Cherry tomato, I'm just pretty much going to try to string up. This one looks okay. Uh, it's amazing to see how much this conduit, electrical conduit, is bending under the weight of the plants. I didn't think that that would happen, but it definitely is bending a lot. So we got this one uh, staked and up pretty well. This one, we're going to do some pruning first to help improve the airflow. So we went ahead and did a lot of pruning of the plants, and we tied them up. And other than the cherry tomatoes, these are some really big varieties that I have growing. I mean, you can see here, or maybe you can't. Let's come around. I mean, these are some really big varieties. We have a cluster here, some over there. So overall, we're going to have a really good variety, good harvest of tomatoes. So what I've learned is every week to 10 days or so, I'm gonna have to come out and do some tying. We're entering our rainy season here in North Florida. So more rain means the plants will grow quicker, and I have to be more proactive than what I have been so that they don't become a jungle. This is another raised bed here that had where we were to begin with. And as you can see, there's some huge tomatoes in this bed also. So overall, I'm happy with the work that we did. We still have tomatoes in the grow bags and containers that I need to take a look at, but I don't think I'm gonna get to them today. It's starting to sprinkle a little bit, so I don't necessarily want to get rained on. This one is starting to blush. There you go. This one is starting to blush. So hopefully we'll be having tomatoes soon. These are some more tomatoes that I have growing on one side of the U-shaped bed. And I forget the varieties, but these plants are huge. And they're right next door to a tomatillo plant. All three, there's two of them, and all three, including the tomatillo plant, are growing tremendously big. And we have nice big tomatoes on the plants. I've never grown tomatillos or harvested them, so I'm not knowing what to expect or anything like that, but I can guarantee you the plant itself is big and it has lots of blooms, yellow flowers on it. And I've seen all kinds of bumblebees flying around it. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we pruned and tied up our tomatoes. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope it brought a smile to your face, a little joy to your heart. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I will reply. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of fruit and vegetables by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new contents. Chances are, if you like my videos, your family and friends will also. So it's okay to share. Until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.